Ever feel like your current air fryer is just okay, leaving you to deal with soggy bottoms or unevenly cooked edges while you spend way too much time babysitting your food? If you are ready to stop settling for mediocre results and want a kitchen powerhouse that truly understands precision, the Cosori 9 in 1 TurboBlaze 6QT air fryer is the upgrade you have been waiting for. This isn't just another appliance sitting on your counter. It's a high-performance, precision-engineered machine that brings professional cooking speed and consistency into your everyday routine. What makes the TurboBlaze a total game-changer is its incredible versatility and heating control. While most air fryers have a limited temperature range, this beast gives you full command from a gentle 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a searing 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you aren't just limited to crisping things. You can proof dough, dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks, perfectly roast meats, and even reheat leftovers without them tasting like rubber. Because of its advanced, precise heating technology, air circulation is faster and more consistent than ever, ensuring you get that golden, restaurant-quality crunch on the outside while keeping everything perfectly tender and juicy on the inside. Beyond the performance, Cosori has really listened to the needs of the modern home cook. True healthy cooking. The basket features a premium, PFAS-free ceramic coating. You can say goodbye to harsh chemicals, and more importantly, cleanup is an absolute breeze. Nothing sticks, and it wipes clean in seconds. The 6-quart sweet spot. The capacity is perfect for busy households. It's large enough to cook a whole chicken or a massive batch of wings for your family, yet compact enough to keep your counters from feeling cluttered. Smart engineering. With 9 dedicated functions, including specialized settings for frozen food and proofing, you can walk away and let the machine do the heavy lifting. It's quiet, incredibly fast, and designed to look sharp in any kitchen. Whether you're a meal prep master looking to speed up your process or a beginner who wants to make healthier, delicious meals without the guesswork, the TurboBlaze 6QT is designed to deliver. It takes the stress out of the kitchen and puts the joy back into cooking. If you are ready to elevate your culinary game and grab the Cosori 9 in 1 TurboBlaze at the absolute best price, click the link below.